Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to change your name on Facebook. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to change your name on your Facebook account, how to do this? First of all, you need to open your Facebook app. Guys, you can see here top right side 3 line. Just click on this. In top you can see here setting option. Just click on this. Guys, in account, under account you will find personal and account information. Just click on this. You can see here I will rename it MD and last name I will rename as. After renaming, just click on review change. After clicking review change, you will get two options. Whichever name you want, you can select that one. After selecting, you need to type your Facebook account password. After typing the Facebook account password, just click on save change. Guys, you can see I have successfully changed my Facebook account name. That's it guys. So in this way you can change your name on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.